What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today, we're going to be talking about, yes, my sense of fashion. Don't you like my shirt? I had a shirt maybe 18 years. Yeah, about 18 years when I was in high school. So, this is the new style. We're bringing it back. Some people are like, nah, so, okay, fine. How do I look now? Yes, Dragon Ball Z, of course. Anyways, so let's talk about some good old tech news. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. So now, of course, this is you guys' favorite part of the show, the good old joke. And the joke is, what did the owl tell the crocodile? Hmm? You all know? Think about it. Okay, here it goes. It said, "Ooh, you're so crunchy." All right, guys. So if you guys are looking for some flash sales, let me inform you right now. Right now, there's a current sale going on for the S20 and the Note 20. So instead of you guys paying $1,000 for either one of those phones, you'll be getting $200 off because of the sale right now. So go ahead, jump up, pause the TV while you're watching me, get the sale, and when you get done, come back, sit on the couch, and we'll listen to what I got to say. All right, guys. So let's talk about some good old tech. Let's start off by talking about Huawei Mate X. Yes, we're going to talk about a phone. Now, remember when Huawei came out with the first foldable phone? Now, the phone was very, very nice, and I was actually impressed of how the multiple ways folded. I was impressed from the front end to the back end. And then when you compare it to Samsung's first foldable phone, you kind of like, what the hell, Samsung? What is this? So it's kind of like, but anyway, but Huawei, I'm telling you, Huawei had a great design with the first foldable phone, which brings me up to my point. Because now Huawei is working on their first foldable clamshell phone. So remember when Samsung came out with the Z Flip this year? Now Huawei about to come out with their first clamshell next year, according to rumors and sources. Now their design is amazing. I'm telling you, it's amazing. Like Huawei Clamshell phone has a huge screen on the front when you close it. Now, if you compare it to the Z Flip, people were complaining about it because they couldn't interact with it. But Huawei seems to have an answer to that problem. Not to mention they have a dual cameras right beside the screen. So this is giving us all the bells and whistles. Makes you kind of wonder, this is an awesome phone, but how much is it going to cost? Probably highly expensive. What's new, right? But anyways, Huawei, they are very innovative. It's like Samsung, and I just kind of wish Samsung would sit there and give us something like not make us wait 2 or 3 generations down the line, but just give it to us like day one. Kind of how they fixed a problem with the first foldable phone, and they had a problem. They solved those problems with the Z Flip 2 phone, and now Samsung they're making the Z Flip clamshell phone. It's the second version of it. So, and they said they're gonna have more of an interactive screen, but guess what? To see which one's better, Huawei clamshell phone, first generation, or Samsung's second generation clamshell phone. Only time will tell. So since we're talking about time, it's getting closer and closer to that time for the PlayStation 5 release. Now, today, there have been a lot of unboxings of the PlayStation 5. I mean, a lot. I watched a few videos, and I'm just like, dang, that PlayStation 5 is huge. I mean, it is huge. And right now, from I could think of, that's like the biggest system that I ever saw before. If you know any other system bigger than the PlayStation 5, please leave a comment below and let me know what you see bigger than that. But it has been a lot of comparison videos. You had like compare the side of PS5 and Xbox Series X, the PS4, PS3, or like all the variants. So, and I must say that the PlayStation is some hell of a beast console. It's huge. So I can't wait to get my hands on it on release date. When I get my hands on it, I'm definitely be doing an unboxing. All right, guys, thanks for checking me out. Go ahead and hit that little button, subscribe to the channel, And if you want to see some more cool videos, check out some tech news or whatever you want to watch. Hey, I got some videos on the side. Check them out to see my lovely, lovely face. And also, don't forget to like it. If you don't like it, I'm just kidding. I'll see you guys next time.